Okay. So they basically told me to go away. Alrighty guys. Obviously I only have clothes for cold weather. So I've got long pants, boots, but I'm in Bali and it's hot, so I'm gonna pop out in the street. I need money first, I get some money, get some boardies, get some thongs, get a bintang singlet, and then I'll be ready to relax for the next day and a half. Okay, so, bloody hot out there. I'm just dripping with sweat and wearing my cold weather gear. So what I'm going to do now is the Bali douchebag transformation. So an Australian and what they typically wear when they come to Bali. Let's start with number one, the shirt. That's right, bintang. Bintang. You got to get the bintang singlet. All right, next, let's change my pants. All right, this one, they already had these pants, so that's, any short shorts will do. So I don't know if you can see it, but now I've got some nice shorts on. Yeah. So one thing's definitely out of place. Let's shake them off. In Australian colours, of course. Thus completes the Australian Bali bogan look. So now it's time to go out and get a massage. Signing off for today, and tomorrow I'm gonna have a big day of nothing. I'm looking forward to just getting some more massages, eating, relaxing. We might walk down to the beach, might get a cab down there. I don't know, maybe we'll take the drone somewhere away from the airport. We'll see what happens. You know what? I don't fly out till Sunday, so. Good morning. Welcome you guys, another day here in Bali. Just got ready, gonna head out now to try and find an abandoned 737. Now there's two of them, but I'm going to go for one today. I'm going to save the other one for when we come back later in this month with my wife Emma and go find the other one together. So today, let's get some breakfast and we'll try and find that aircraft. All right, that's the only plan today. So let's do it. Mate. That is me. Wasn't that hard to find. It's pretty hard to hide a 737. Okay, so they basically told me to go away. That's alright. I think this has been developed into a restaurant or something. Pretty sweet. When it's finished, I'll come back, because obviously I fly here all the time for work. Not really, hopefully soon. Okay, so I have a choice here. I either take a cab back or I try Uber Moto. Just watch everyone holds on though. I had a guy just proposition me for use of his motorbike. Oh, good price, make me happy. No thanks. Oh, I don't know. I mean, I have insurance. Such long legs, I don't know if I can do it. Let's get a cab. Next time, next time. Even if I wanted to get a moto. No motors available. Last day here in Bali and last day of the whole trip because I'd come home early. Thank you so much for joining me, and it's things did not go to plan. When I was in Nepal on the trek, did not reach Annapurna base camp. Compared to the first day, that was about it. Oh well, shit happens. The main thing I always say is it's all part of the experience. So for now, so get a massage.
What the hell are you doing?
Oh, mi scusi, mi scusi.
No! Mi scusi,
mi scusi.
That was a nice massage. All the power was out here in Bali, so it was very hot in there. Anyway, to the airport now, and to home, and to my wife. Thanks guys, thanks for watching, and catch you next time.